fuck is that face?
Are you recording it?
Yeah. It sounds like... I don't know if the phone is picking it up. Sounds like metal moving.
Here it fucking comes again. See if I can actually fucking see anything. It's fucking weird. I don't fucking see shit in the air. Waking my ass up and shit. Fucking loud. Alright, this is the loudest it's ever fucking been. This is fucking nuts. I still can't see a fucking thing in the air. That's the weirdest part. I don't see shit.
Big, loud, strange noise. Wednesday, March 19th, 2014. There's a weird noise. We're not by any traffic or highways or anything. Just raining and it's slightly. This noise is really loud. It's starting to get a little bit lower, but it's still consistent. Don't know what it is.
do not know if you can hear that, but obviously you can't see anything, but I am outside, and this noise has been going on for about 20 minutes now. This isn't the first time we heard it. About a month ago, it did this. And after 20 minutes, it seems like it's fading away a little bit. Got clear skies, stars are out, but in the direction of this noise, there's a lot of clouds starting to come in. So if there's anything over there, not that's light. Okay.
I've been getting a lot of reports about many of you hearing booms at various times, mysterious booms that seem to come from nowhere. Well, here's what I think is happening. Look at this. The ground is covered with snow, but it's been very, very cold. In fact, the ground is frozen as much as 18 inches deep. With the ground being frozen so deeply and water being in the ground, the water freezes and sometimes expands with force, and then it cracks, and that creates a sound which can come across as a loud boom or a crack. Not only that, if you live near a pond or a lake, ice on the pond or lake can also expand with a cracking or booming sound. And I talked with a fellow on the telephone the other day whose grandpa told him that sometimes sap in a tree can freeze, and that can also make a popping or cracking sound. So the booms, the pops, and the cracks that many of you have been hearing are probably due to the fact that it's been so very cold this winter. So, there you have it.
I have not heard any booms or cracks.
Well, now here in town, here in Terre Haute, the Crow Committee, now they'll pop off some like
Yes,
little
I've
fireworks
heard,
and
I hear
stuff,
those.
and you hear those. But I've got a file this thick of people who have heard these things, and they really are quite unnerving when like you're just lying around or in the middle of the night, and then boom, you hear that. And what we believe it is this cryoseism. It's called a cryoseism, and water freezes, then it moves the earth. It's like a very shallow earthquake.